Hap Seng Trucks Distribution was formed to acquire Mercedes-Benz Malaysia commercial trucks business. And we started from ground zero, being a completely greenfield setup. We only have 6 months to get this whole project up and running. The new currency is information. And I think that's where having the right business solutions or application software that can deliver important information to the business users at the right time provides a tremendous competitive advantage to anybody using it.
Growth is important for every company, especially for a startup like HSTD, in order to remain sustainable and long in the business. It's not simply increasing the market share in the growing market. Most importantly, is providing greater experience for our customer. Our main customer is actually our dealers. They are the forefront to help to promote our products to the end customer. Our main goal is to create value for our business partner by providing the training, technical know-how, and also marketing and other support to help them to grow their business. In order to achieve this, we need an information system which can provide us the insight. The information from the ERP system like our SAP BeOne Solutions, it helps us a lot in to analyze the data so that we can focus our resources in the right place to support them.
Well, apart from having the right application software, having the right implementation partner is equally important. We only have 6 months to get this whole project up and running, and we had to get it right. What we needed was a partner who was both knowledgeable and has a proven track record in not only implementing SAP Business One, but also in an automotive environment such as ours.
The services provided by the BeOne team is reliable. They are able to solve the problem immediately, and they are very responsive to every issue during the project implementation.
They were able to bring to the table their consultants that sat down together with us, with my project team members, to finalize the approach and the detailed plans as to how we can do all this within the time frame required.
The biggest benefit from this project is we are able to simplify our process and be more focused on those value-added activities so that we are able to respond faster to the market changes. And this is how we plan to achieve growth.